So there are different packages which we can book. Well, a good dress, the lady. She has here the mirror to watch who is entering inside. Oh, mango juice. This is a roll ice cream.
Oh, aku rasa kucingnya tu mati lah.
At least you don't have to worry about loving and mix the other one. As long as they're around, I think they're around there lah.
Car rental, motorcycle rental, water sport, boat tour, mangrove tour. Okay. I would like to test this roll ice cream. Penang walk Langkawi. Langkawi Resort. During this journey, many people ask me why I am walking alone. I remember that in the research center also, several people ask me, and during travel, because this Iceland, I think it is famous for the pears and honeymoon and these other things. so I remember the taxi driver asking me, so I got how many taxis? And they asked me, you're alone only? Oh, okay. So, because normally here I asked them, why you are asking me I'm alone in the car? So they were saying, actually normally here people come in pair or in couple or some boyfriend, girlfriend. So we are surprising. So I said, okay, no problem. Maybank. I have to use Maybank. Maybank is there. Maybank. Maybank. I think the best way to I'm going to look, otherwise I'm on the beach. So I think better I go for Maybank to uh, take money. How much money I need? To be sure, I think I take 1,000. I think I take out 1,000 ringgit. This way I will be walking. With the surety. Okay, here. Around here. I don't know, always it is rejected. Let's see what happened. Let's see what happened, why it is rejected. So I'm going to sit down somewhere to solve the issue. Maybe I can sit here.